Lele, Whakalopalaya, Kia ora, Nisambula Vinaka, aloha and good morning. Welcome to your Saturday morning Fresh Fix. I'm Te Wheeler Blakey.
Malo, malo, I'm René Nafahu, and today we are just going to show you how we roll here in Auckland town. There's a little thing called Pacifica Festival, yo. What's up? What about it?
I know, and it is so hot here at Pacifica. Speaking of hot, let's check out what is on today's show.
Boom.
Police have given me their version, and the Samoan man, he's given me his number.
He is so my last week. Oh, this guy.
As we know, all islanders like to laugh, laugh, cry, punch, laugh, drink. Here in New Zealand, we've got some really massive groups. We've got Naked Samoans, we've got the Brownies, and of course, the Gila Gugana groups.
That's right, and the Laughing Samoans. Now, these guys have traveled the world, entertaining audiences worldwide and cracking them off. Let's check out their brand new show, Fresh Up the Blade. Woo.
Welcome to Samoa Air Flight 279 from up here to Auckland City. My name is Tala and I'm your flight service manager for tonight. And in the front half we have Fai, who will be servicing the front, and I will be here organising everything important and also making the announcements.
Yes, because she can't fit down the aisle.
Never gets old, you know, getting out there and performing in front of people. It never gets old. It's 11 years, but every time it feels like the first time.
Excuse me, yes, I can. It's just that I just don't feel like it. What I do feel like doing is punching your face. But what good would that do when it already looks like it's been punched?
The whole thing about the show is it's a brand new show. You definitely have a really good laugh. You also maybe get a bit of a short lesson on what life is like as a Samoan. And especially for those who may be thinking about marrying a Samoan, it might not work out too well for them.
I know more about the Bible than you do. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to help you.
Okay, if you think you're so clever,
yeah?
What's the first book in the Bible?
What, the Samoan one or the English one?
Because, you know, in every show we try and come up with something really fresh and new. And we thought Tala, as a roving reporter, she would be fantastic.
So you have spoken to the police and you've spoken to the young man. Yeah. The young man denies he was the driver. Who do you believe in this case?
Well, I've heard the police have given me their version, and the Samoan man, he's given me his number. But yes, I've heard both sides of the story, and from where I'm standing now, I can see the car, and I truly believe it that the police, they are parking up the wrong train.
I guess for us, it's success breeds success. We've been able to afford to do it because people have really enjoyed it. And we've really enjoyed working with each other. So it's not a job. A job is when you have to work hard. This is easy for us.
How did Cain and Abel get their name then?
Well, when Abel was born, the first son, they named him Abel because that was the fruit that Eve gave Adam. Yeah, the apple.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because they didn't plan the second baby.
Yeah.
When the second son was born.
Yeah.
Adam got like a real shock.
Yeah.
And he was like, not a Cain.
It's not just the RE team, it's good for the young ones. You know, it's a good family event as well.
They tell everybody's life story. It either happened to you or it's happened to someone that you know.
Came all the way up here from Hawaii just to watch it.
Without the fans, we wouldn't be here, eh? We'd just be telling each other jokes, and that's not very funny after a while.
We just love performing. We don't realise what sort of impact it has on the people until we actually meet them. So it's always nice to meet the fans.
Now, starting at the bottom of the North Island in Wellington, known for its windy city, you have gusts of 110 kilometers an hour. So this is a warning for all the Palangi, Asian and Indian people. Please stay inside. But for all the Pacific Island people, just carry on as normal. There is no wind in this world that will make you fly away.
Stick around, Freshies, because coming up after the break, we got Tiger and Ra.
And we get a sneak peek into my world.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's like a dream come true.
How am I doing?
You're too detached. All my early stuff was with Frankie Adams. She said, oh, so how long have you been away? And I said, oh, about 20 years. And she goes, what a coincidence, I'm 20 years old. Yeah. My name is Rennie Nafahu, and I am half Tongan, quarter Samoan, and German-Irish. And I'm an actor, writer, director.
Sam Malini?
Yeah, that's me. First day back, come back to John, she was really awesome.
How am I doing?
You're too detached. You need to connect more.
No, Sam Alini is the last one who should be finding fault.
I was back on the ambulance, and I froze. All my early stuff was with Frankie Adams. You know, she said, oh, so how long have you been away? And I said, oh, about 20 years.
Sam, help!
And she goes, what a coincidence, I'm 20 years old. Yeah. I was one who punched her in the facials. First got the front cook to say that I got the role of Short Street. I hung up because I thought it was one of my mates ringing me up to take the mickey out of me. I responded to instant fame. It was very difficult for me. I didn't like it at all. It was a novelty for my brothers and sisters and for my friends. And Mum and Dad were really proud, but me inside, I hated it. I hated it, but I've grown up now.
I think you're so high and mighty, eh? You're not the only victims here.
Hey, you're a murderer! Get back here!
Markets was my writing and directing debut. And then after the Markets, I was going to go and do some outrageous fortune. But I went there and I just realised that I wanted to tell my own stories.
They call me Zoe, but I like Z. Like Xena Warrior Princess.
Last scene is a film about a teenage boy who is forced to do really bad things so that he can raise money for his mum to get her into drug rehab.
Minka, this is the situation. Your mum's sickness, it's not covered by ACC.
It's a modern-day urban Auckland crime drama. And hopefully all you guys are going to like it. It's a pretty sick film. 10 years ago, we had Shiona's wedding, #2.
Cute pig. What's his name?
Crispy. And the Market, and it was going to herald in the new arrival of this exciting kind of, not just Polynesian, but real Pacific drama. It never really occurred. Nothing I can say. I wanted to make a model with The Last Saint where I can shoot a film affordably, you know, and just create a great team around me. And I think we've done that.
If there's anything I can do to help you settle in,
let's grab a beer once this is blown over.
Great, I look forward to that.
The first thing I did was I spoke to my mum. Mum, they want me to get back on Shortland Street. And she said, you know, you should go back. Because I think she gets free food at certain markets for being mother of Sam. So she wanted to clock that ticket back on, you know. I mean, I'm a typical island boy. I just want to make Mum and Dad proud.
Wow, what a world, Rin. Such a mystery. You should have your own reality show.
I do. It's working with you. All right, well, coming up now, we got two other guys that would look awesome dancing with these guys, and that's Tiger and Ra.
I'm a taxi in the daytime. I'm a hero in the nighttime. And I'm punching all the bad guys. But you can run very fast because I know where you are. It's the Avenger of Taika Era.
Oh, hey, uncle.
You don't need a lot to survive here in the islands, eh?
Nah, it's pretty easy to live in here because there's plenty things to live off, like the fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like the coconut.
True.
You can drink the coconut, you can eat the coconut.
Fuck, you're like that fella on Man vs. Wild.
Yeah, but you know, it's more like a tiger in the wild.
True.
There's also other thing you can live off, like this blackberry over here. It's very good for vitamin C.
Oh, can you eat those, Uncle?
Of course you can. It's delicious. Yummy.
Oh, you're not eating berries, Uncle?
Yeah.
Those are sheep's poos.
Yeah. Oh, shut up. You better be careful your mouth because you eat the same thing in your sandwich.
Oh, you said there were reasons.
Love those two, Tiger and Ra. Hey, well, Freshies, don't go anywhere because coming up after the break...
We got two of everybody's favourite aunties and, well, let's be honest, my ex-girlfriends, Pani and Pani.
Now we're here in the biggest island of the Pacific, the North Island in New Zealand.
Welcome back, Freshies. Now, as you know, Ren's ex-girlfriends, Pani and Pani, have been all over the Pacific searching for Mr. Lava Lava. Now, last week we found Samoa's winner.
So this week's a big one. The competition moves to New Zealand, where a whole new bunch of muscle-laden guys will compete for the Mr. Lava Lava title. New Zealand's finest.
That's
Kiwi
right.
beef, mate. Kiwi beef.
Show us, yeah.
We have been searching all over the Pacific to find the best guy each island has to offer. There are thousands of dollars worth of prizes up for grabs, and the ultimate Mr. Lava Lava goes on to become the face of Mena's menswear range.
Our journey began in the Cook Highlands, where we put 9 guys to the test, and Petero took out the crown.
Hello, Petero. Then we went to see what the men of Samoa are made of.
I got the swag. I think I got the whole package done.
They wooed us with their words.
You like McDonald? I mean Mandela.
And they pushed themselves to the limits.
This is the biggest coconut cream I ever squeezed.
And after all those challenges, Betia emerged victorious.
Now we're here in the biggest island of the Pacific, the North Island in New Zealand.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because we've got like millions and millions and millions of people auditioning. Yeah.
That's right. But we just don't want to look at the applications. We just want to look at their faces.
Yeah, I don't want to read through the paperwork. I just want to look at the goods. So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
What do we think?
You know what? There's something mysterious about him.
I have many talents. I can sing. I hit you with the best stroke. Freestyle in the breaststroke. Realness is here. Oh, it ain't about the paint job. It's about the engine. And girl, I boom.
He's very cute. What do you think about this guy here? You like?
Well, I don't like the jumper.
Do you want to take it off?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Did you spook me? I'm Skux and I got a face structure like this. And this.
What about that guy?
Oh, wow. You know what?
Yes.
I like a man who stands there with his biceps.
Us Cantabrians are well educated. Not only is this important, so too is the muscle rye. We got you covered for life, baby.
Oh my gosh. What about this, sis?
A lot of the boys, they'll be doing some Sivas, but you know, stick to the basic twerk. You know you want the twerk.
Gorgeous smile, I have to admit.
My star sign is Libra. It stands for funny, loyal, committed, and tough.
What about a man in a suit?
So you think I look good in a suit? Well, you should wait until you see me in a lava lava.
Oh, my fob.
You need a little Jesus in your life.
Praise be the Lord, because he created this, and oh my gosh, here. He's got very, very, very big arms.
Yes.
I'm representing
the villagers Whatai and Te Takamotonga.
And he's wearing a highlighted vest, which means that we will always know where he's going.
I'll turn the Lava Lava shoe into the gun shoe. Bam!
He's singing 10 guitars when you look at that tune.
And then I just want to strum.
Look at his eyes. He's going, I want you, I want you, I want you, I want you so badly.
I'm Tongan, as you can tell right there. I work for LJS, so I know a little bit about cooking. I can cook your chips and fish if you want.
He's got a lovely tattoo.
The waves of the Pacific Oceans are in my body and my soul, you know? So just pick me for Mr. Lava Lava.
Okay. What about this guy?
Those eyes, those lips,
that
hips, chest, those hips, the veins,
chest,
the arms. He's a yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, Funny and Punny, this is what you're missing out on. You don't get me, you don't get this chocolate.
If you saw this guy, say at the market or at the movies, what would you think?
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
Think.
Okay, fantastic. What do you think about this guy here?
I'm an island warrior. Because you know, I can lift you, both of you guys with one hand or 2 arms.
Wowzer.
Oh my goodness. 83, 83, 83. Oh my gosh. Now you know, he is so my last week. Oh, this guy.
Hold on.
Oh my God. I think my dragon eggs are pregnant. He smells good.
Babes.
You know.
You know
I know.
Right?
What do you think about this one, honey? I think he has a lot to give to the world. And I think that when he holds his gallo, that's a sign that he knows how to hold a woman.
What about this guy?
He's like me. He needs to get his eyebrows plucked. And the mo. And the mo needs to be done. Stop stalking me. I'm sick and tired of it, okay? I've had it up to here with you. You've been done. We've done you. Over and out. Go back to Lisa Bonet. Boring. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we did it, hun.
I know. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go check them out. Yeah.
Mr. Lover, girl. Mr. Lover.
Malo Lele. My name is Lois, and I'm full Tongan. I went to Tonga College. The girls in Tonga love me because the way I look. I was just something about me, that charm where I make them crazy over me, and I was just too sexy.
Noia Imori. My name is Patrick Tauzi, and I'm from Rotuma, and I'm going to win Mr. Lava Lava.
Kia ora, my name is Carlos Olberg. Well, I think I'm going to win Mr. Lava Lava because I've got what the other contestants don't have. Pure strength, knowledge, and also the main thing is I know how to cook.
My name's Charlton Brown, and I'm representing the Kingdom of Tonga. Star sign, I'm a Cancer. So Pani and Pani, watch out, I might pinch your undies.
Uluvinaka, Salo Falava. My name is Corinthian Ogasasheli. Ladies, I'm here. I'm here to do the show. I'm here for you. So I'm going to be the next Mr. Lava Lava. Look at these biceps. Do you want it? Do you want it? I'll take you there.
Malale, my name is Tawa Fino, all the way from Tonga. Girls will describe me as a beast, because every beauty needs a beast. I think I'm going to win Mr. Lava Lava because, you seen all those guys? Not as good looking as this, mate.
Are you happy with our choices?
I am so happy.
Wow, those Mr. Lava Lavas were so hot. My ice cream's melted.
Talking about tasty treats. Let's see what the Fresh Crew will bring up next week.
What's up, Freshies? I'm here with Aite Kaisili from Funk Community, now known as Sorceress. Blows that trumpet like you wouldn't believe, guy.
With none other than that fine soul-singing thing, Miss Tyra Hammond from Open Souls, a.k.a. Tyra and the Tornadoes.
Next week on the search for Mr. Lava Lava.
Create shelter. Fits for an island princess like ourselves.
And the watermelon. We're gonna use it to massage you guys.
A watermelon massage.
Poses. And I'm not talking about what's on the Tongan menu. This stuff is off the hook.
Speaking of the Tongan menu, I'm about to go and eat everything. Everything. There's been nothing left. Thanks for hanging out with us, two Freshies, on today's show.
Yep. Stay fresh.
Get out my way, yeah, I'm a Russell Packer, yeah. And if you owe me, then you know we gon' be catching up. One.
I think our speakers wrong. 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 I think our speakers wrong.
Chop him down, hood like me. Empty shit, it's OVA. No sympathy, don't ever waste a day. And it's my letter to y'all. Now get the f out my face, let's go. Southside. Yeah. MTC. Bounce. 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 I don't want nobody to call me Young Sid anymore. Sid Diamond. What up, Otara? Boom. Oakland, my city, man. King.
But now we're off to finish up for the top of the North Island, starting on with Tamaki Macau down. Auckland City, there doesn't seem to be much. There doesn't seem to be much activity in the west and also central and eastern parts of Auckland. But there's a lot of activity in Manukau and South Auckland area.